Hi guys, this is me, Hannah, and today I will be showing you how to make these cute little notebooks. Here it is. I'll be showing you how to make these cute little notebooks. They're hand carryable, and they have pages in here. So what you'll need to do is, what you'll need for this. So I'll be showing you how to make these cute little school notebooks for your dolls. So let's get started. Okay, so what you'll need for this is scissors, paper, go, hole puncher, some pieces of foam paper, like these foam papers, and paper clips. So first off, what you'll need to do is take any of your favorite colored foam paper. So I am going with dark blue, which is right here. I'm gonna put that aside. So this dark blue, you're gonna need to take your scissors, like this, and cut your paper into a thick sheet of, like a rectangle, but a fatter rectangle, like this fat rectangle, like this. I'm cutting the paper all the way, like that. Then you're gonna need to fold it to where the edges match. Trim the side. Then take your paper, or actually, I would prefer you to take your hole puncher and your small sheet. You see the corner of this right here? Don't put it all the way here. And just punch it like this. Ugh. There we go. Then punch it once more. So you'll need it like this. Not all the way at the corner or all the way at the top. So like that. And then you take your paper and your notebook, open your small notebook up, and take your scissors and trace and cut it out. Cut your, whatever you call it, your foam paper notebook out, exact same size. Now you won't need to cut out the circles. Because and then make sure it's the same length, but a little bit smaller, like this, but a little bit like fold it to the sides and see if the sides match. Now you see the small space for it, you're gonna have to trim it, even though it doesn't match the size of the notebook. So just like that, trace that paper onto another piece of paper like this. You're gonna have to open it and trace it. And like that. Ooh, this is a little tricky. So you can make, you'll have to cut it all the way to match its size. I'm just gonna cut both of the pieces of paper since they don't match. I'm gonna have to cut the other one. So you can use whatever to measure it. See, there's like a little space here. That, and then on the bottom, like this. Just like that, you can make 2 or more papers. Now take your small papers and close them up together. 2 small papers. You can make 2 small papers or 3. I decided to go with 2. And cut the matching axis. And just like that. Like that. And look, you don't need glue for this. And then, whoopsie, sorry. And then take your hole puncher and hole punch the corners, but make sure you don't cut it to the very edge. Oh my god. I don't know why these things are super hard to cut. I'm just gonna use all my force. Ugh. I don't know why. This is like so hard. I'm trying to hole punch the hole. Oh my god. Like that. You can use a 1 hole punch or hole punch. Not like, those 3 side holes. Okay, you won't be able to see it, but that was a big document. Now take your notebook. It's okay, see, mine is not the same size, but that's definitely okay. And then fold it up like that. You see the papers inside there. And then cut the foam sheet to the size of the paper or a small size of the notebook. Okay, like that. And then just like this. Snip, 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 snip. And then there you go, basically. And then you take one of your paper clips. I'm taking one out. It's pretty hard. Okay. Well, you'll only need one. A small sized one, not a big one, a big size. And you see this one small loop inside? You take that one and press it and woo. Okay, so this part is gonna be a little tricky. You're gonna have to get it like this on, and then you're gonna have to put that small loop side inside the hole. You see this? You put it inside the hole, and then flip it over and pull. Okay, and then you'll basically get like that. And voila, you got it. And for your design, you will need a marker. Any colored marker. I forgot to tell you that in the beginning, but you can use basically any color. Or you can use a pen. So I'm using this small pen and writing squares. But marker works, but if you don't want to write anything, basically no. And voila, here's your basic notebook. Bye guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you'll like this video. Bye.